Are you curious about whether a younger woman is thinking about you in a sexual way? It can be a subtle art to decipher. In this video, we're going to explore the unmistakable signs that indicate a younger woman's sexual interest in you. From the way she communicates to those telltale behaviors that give away what's really on her mind, I'll help you read between the lines. Let's dive in. 1. Body language cues. Body language can be a powerful indicator of sexual interest. A younger woman interested in an older man might exhibit more open and inviting body language. This could include uncrossing her arms, leaning in closer during conversations, or tilting her head in a way that suggests flirtation. She may also make more direct physical contact, like touching your arm or shoulder. These nonverbal cues can indicate she's comfortable in your presence and might be thinking about you sexually. 2. Suggestive comments. If she's making comments that have a clear sexual undertone or double meanings, especially when such remarks seem a bit bold for the usual flow of conversation, it's a sign she's thinking about you sexually. These comments may be veiled as jokes or playful banter, but the underlying message is usually clear. She's testing the waters to see how you respond to such flirtation and whether you're on the same wavelength. 3. Intimate questions. When she starts asking personal questions about your love life, sexual preferences, or past relationships, it's often more than just casual curiosity. She's likely trying to gauge your compatibility and whether there's potential for sexual chemistry between you. These questions can also be a way for her to open up the conversation to more intimate topics, providing a platform for her to express her own sexual interests or experiences. 4. Accidental. Physical touches. If she's creating opportunities to touch you, even under the guise of it being accidental, it's a significant sign of sexual interest. This might include brushing her hand against yours, accidentally bumping into you, or finding reasons to make physical contact in ways that are more intimate than friendly. These touches are her way of breaking the touch barrier and testing your reaction to closer physical proximity. 5. Lip biting or licking. A younger woman who is thinking about you sexually might often bite or lick her lips subconsciously while interacting with you. This gesture is a classic sign of sexual interest and can be quite alluring. It might happen when you're discussing something unrelated to romance or sex, making it even more suggestive. The act of focusing on her lips in such a manner is a nonverbal cue that could be inviting you to think about kissing or other intimate encounters. 6. Frequent compliments on physical appearance. If she frequently compliments you on your physical appearance, your body, the way you dress, your overall style, it's likely more than just casual flattery. When a younger woman makes a point to notice and comment on your looks regularly, it can indicate she's thinking of you in a sexual manner. These compliments may come across as more personal and charged than typical friendly observations, suggesting an underlying sexual attraction. 7. Sending flirtatious messages. When her texts to you start taking on a more flirtatious or suggestive tone, it's a significant indicator of her sexual interest. These messages might include double meanings, playful innuendos, or even direct flirtatious remarks. The shift from regular texting to a more charged exchange signifies her comfort and desire to escalate the relationship from platonic to sexual. 8. Laughter at sexual jokes. A younger woman who laughs particularly heartily at sexual jokes or even makes them herself in your presence is likely signaling her sexual interest. This behavior shows she's comfortable discussing sexual topics with you and is probably using humor as a way to explore sexual chemistry. Her willingness to engage in such banter can be a clear sign she's thinking about you in a more intimate context. 9. Prolonged eye contact with a flirtatious edge. When a younger woman maintains prolonged eye contact with you, accompanied by a flirtatious or suggestive look, it can be a strong indicator of her sexual interest. This type of gaze is usually intense and loaded with unspoken messages, different from casual or friendly eye contact. It's as if she's trying to communicate her attraction through her eyes, inviting you to understand her intentions without saying a word. 10. Playful teasing. When a younger woman engages in playful teasing with an older man, it can often carry an undercurrent of sexual tension. This teasing might include light-hearted jokes about each other's dating lives, playful challenges, or even flirtatious jabs. This form of interaction suggests she's comfortable flirting with you and may be thinking about you in a sexual light. The teasing serves as a way to test the waters and gauge your response to her more suggestive behavior. 11. Dressing more provocatively. If you notice that she starts dressing more provocatively or paying extra attention to her appearance when she knows she'll be seeing you, it can be a sign of her sexual interest. This might include wearing tighter or more revealing clothing, paying more attention to makeup and hair, or choosing styles that she knows you appreciate. This change in attire is often a conscious effort to attract your attention and indicate her interest in a more intimate connection. 12. Frequent social media interaction. Increased interaction on social media can also be a sign of sexual interest. If she frequently likes, comments, or sends direct messages, particularly on your more suggestive posts, it can indicate she's thinking about you in a sexual context. This behavior shows she's actively following your online presence and is comfortable engaging with you in a space that often blurs the line between public and private interaction. 13. Suggestive glances. A younger woman may give an older man suggestive glances that linger just a bit longer than a casual look. These glances often come with a coy smile or a slightly raised eyebrow, conveying a message that goes beyond mere friendliness. Such glances can be particularly telling if they occur during moments of shared jokes or silent understanding. They are a way for her to communicate her sexual interest non-verbally, inviting the man to notice and possibly reciprocate her attraction. 14. Touching herself subconsciously. Another sign of a younger woman's sexual interest is when she subconsciously touches herself during a conversation. This might include playing with her hair, touching her neck, collarbone, or lips. These gestures are often done subconsciously, but serve as a signal of flirtation and attraction. By drawing attention to these areas, she might be subconsciously indicating her interest, while also showcasing her femininity and sensuality. 15. Finding reasons to be alone together. If a younger woman is thinking about an older man sexually, she might create situations that allow them to be alone together. This could be suggesting working on a project together, offering to help with something that requires privacy, or finding excuses to linger after a group event has ended. These scenarios give her the opportunity to be with the man in a more intimate setting, away from the eyes of others, where she can express her feelings more openly. 16. Intense reactions to casual touch. A telling sign of sexual interest is when she has an intense reaction to casual touches. If an older man casually touches a younger woman, like a pat on the back or a gentle touch on the arm, and she responds with a surprised giggle, an excited smile, or even a prolonged look, it could indicate that she's thinking about him in a more than platonic way. These overemphasized reactions to physical contact can be her way of showing that she's receptive to more intimacy. 17. Imitating your movements. When a younger woman begins to imitate an older man's movements or body language, it's often a subconscious sign of attraction and sexual interest. This mirroring can manifest in several ways. She might start to mimic your posture, gestures, or even your speaking patterns. This mimicry suggests that she's not only paying close attention to you, but is also subconsciously aligning herself with you, a strong indicator of both physical and psychological attraction. 18. Personal space invasion. Another significant indicator is when she starts to invade your personal space more than she does with others. This could mean standing or sitting unusually close to you, leaning in during conversations, or finding reasons to be in close proximity. When a younger woman reduces the physical distance between herself and an older man, it often signals a desire for more intimacy and can be a clear indication of her sexual interest. 19. Subtle sexual innuendos. Introducing mild sexual innuendos into the conversation is a common way younger women might express their sexual interest in an older man. These innuendos could be cleverly woven into the conversation, appearing as playful jokes or comments with a double meaning. The key here is subtlety. The innuendos are often just risque enough to suggest a deeper interest without being overtly explicit, serving as a way to gauge the man's reaction and openness to her advances. 20. Asking about your fantasies. A more bold sign is when she inquires about your sexual fantasies or preferences, often under the guise of casual or playful conversation. This direct approach can be a way for her to express her own sexual interest while also learning more about your desires. It's a clear sign that she's comfortable discussing intimate topics with you and is likely interested in exploring a sexual connection. This kind of conversation is a strong indicator that she's thinking about you in a sexual manner and is open to the possibility of a more intimate relationship. Keep the connection going with these hand-picked videos. Master how to make her think about you non-stop, or discover the signs she's flirting with you. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights.